Alright, GM, very quickly I'm going to be showing you how you can add your Satoshi contract address and your OEX wallet or OEX app address inside of Metamask. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all, open your OEX app. So I'll try and save time. I'll open, right? Sign in. Okay, I'll pause the video. Okay, so I've signed in. You go under settings. Okay, in case you're having problems seeing or trouble seeing. What you need to do is go under settings, then under backup. Okay, you copy your seed phrase, right? After copying your seed phrase, you will now go into your Metamask wallet. Okay, let's give it a little bit of time. Alright, so go into your Metamask wallet. Right, so into your Metamask wallet. Now, in your Metamask, you can import several wallets as long as it's EVM, Ethereum wallet. Okay, so this is what I mean. Are you seeing that it's showing imported, right? And if I click on this drop down, you will see that there are other wallets I have. You see that there are other wallets I have. You see that I have several other wallets I have, right? Are you seeing Talk to Sam, normal wallet, wallet 7, 8, 3, Binance, ICE, Memify? You see different wallets. So you go ahead and add your own. This time around, the one you are adding is OEX. I've already added my own. Okay, I've added it. That's why I named it OEX. You add wallet, then you now say import account. Okay, because you copied seed phrase or private key, you say import, right? Then you now paste and then wait, it will import. After it imports, what you notice is that it will have a name that is account something right here. So you are the one that will now come here under these three dots. Are you seeing? Right? You click on it and then you now say edit account name. Okay, like this. Then you save. Are you seeing? Now, it's possible that your network, most times you don't have core network inside of MetaMask by default. Okay, this is called blockchain mainnet, right? That is the use of that chain list website address. Now, to use chain list website address inside of your MetaMask, you need to first of all come under the D app browser. This is the D app browser, the browser inside of Metamask. You click on it. Okay, then this is chain list. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet. So it is connected already because I've connected it before, but you have to connect your wallet. Then you now say add to Metamask. Then it will prompt you to add it. Then you now switch over the network. When you are done doing that, you now look for the contract address for CTO, this guy. All of those things I left them on the group. Contract address for CTO. So what you should do is, your own will not show the CTO. So you do import token, then you paste the contract address. I don't have it presently. You paste the contract address and everything shows up. That's how to do it.